Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're located in the east of the town of Cabarete, walking distance to the beach, and I'm going to show you a fixer-upper. It's a boutique hotel, so come with me and have a look. Like I tell you, this is a fixer-up. It's like a boutique hotel. You have the reception. Inside, you have 2 bedrooms. One apartment, then is a 2 bedroom. Then probably the owner can live in there. And after, you have 8 1-bedroom apartments. So you can keep it like that, or you can change and make more like just a bedroom and not apartment. This is of your choice. So it's a nice fixer-upper. And is in a good location, like I say, walking distance, not far from the town. So if you need more information, don't forget, click the link below, subscribe, share and like.